Hello everyone, welcome to this short video about how to install Drupal 8. First what we're going to do is we're going to go to drupal.org, try Drupal and download, and we're going to go to download Drupal. Now this is going to download Drupal 9, but it's very close to Drupal 8. It's almost the same, so it shouldn't matter for our current use, basically. So what we're going to do is we're going to unpack that. This is what you get if you copy that into your web server, which I already prepared a web server. I would like to recommend, when you are starting your web development journey or adventures, use a WAMP or XAMPP, because it's just easier for beginners. That's how I began. When you're a bit more practiced, I would say go for a Linux-based operating system and use the tools, install the tools yourself. WAMP is Windows, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. So it's like a package of three things that you need for web development. It's almost done downloading. I mean copying. Okay. So now we have the files in our web server. So let's have a look what it looks like now. Now you see here Drupal is going to ask you a few questions about, like, it will need this for determining what kind of installation you want, and site information will be put in the database. So because this is an English presentation or video, we will be using English, and so it's gonna ask us if we want a standard, a minimal, or a demo version installation profile. For this video we're gonna do a demo profile because it installs some dummy data basically to for demonstration purposes, makes it easier. I don't have to make any content, so that's what I'm going to go for. Normally I would go for standard. It's an empty Drupal website with everything on it. Don't know what minimal means, haven't used it yet. If someone knows, type it in the chat. Okay, now it will ask for our database name, which is Drupal8._dev. Database username and password. Guess what the password is? I know, it's the same as username, very safe. So it's gonna give you options to select another host or and port number. We don't need that today. We have a local MySQL server, but you might want to use it in your setup. By the way, the reason this is taking so long is not because Drupal takes long, it's because my PC is like 10 years old and it needs to be updated. So don't worry, it'll happen in about 2 weeks or so. In the meantime, I'm gonna pause this recording, and when we come back it will be 100% completed installing. See you soon. Okay, I'm back. It has finished installing. So now it will ask you for a username to log into Drupal and do the administrative tasks, basically site building, whatnot. So most people pick admin for their username, but I won't, because all the bot scripts are looking for the admin user, because most people call it admin, so that's not very safe. I'm gonna go with my own name. set my passwords. Okay. Email address. You need this to get notifications basically. So if Drupal 8 is outdated or another module is outdated, and you check for updates automatically and receive email notifications, you will receive the notification in your email address. For now, I'm just gonna put this email address in there. Oh, it was already in there. So because it's demonstration, doesn't really matter. The default country, we are in the Netherlands. Let's see if I can find Amsterdam in this list. Europe. Save. So what it's doing now, it's putting the translation strings into the database. It's probably getting them from the standard Drupal install, because we chose English, which is the default language of Drupal. I don't know for sure, but I think that's what it's doing. So if you know what it's doing, put it in the chat. Let's learn from each other. There you go. So this is the demo website that you get if you install the demo version. Yeah, I'll take it from here in the